Bobby, get out of the street!
Hey, get out of the road!
Bobby, I can't have you disco dancing in the alley. People are going to think we didn't teach you shame, and I know we have. What is this garbage?
It's Pimp Franklin, and he doesn't need your respect, Dad. He don't pay no man no mind.
Get in the truck, son. When I was your age, we had these things called songs. They were 2-minute stories about people falling in love or burning down Georgia. But I guess Hollywood decided we needed more criminals yelling about their lady friend's baby place. Did you pick out your new album? Whoa, red flag, Bobby. I have been advised to listen to this record.
They put that sticker on everything. It's part of the artwork. It entices.
Excuse me, I need to use this parental listening booth to screen my son's music.
That's a great album.
Put it back. Oh, this one too. The Four Scores. Huh. Kind of sounds like the Beatles before they went nuts in India.
It's not the Four Scores, Dad. It's Fourscore. There's Chris, Calvin, Cool Chris, and Todd.
One fine day, God was kicking it in heaven.
Hey, I like this. It's kind of like doo-wop. This is the kind of music you should be listening to.